Welcome, guys. Welcome. Hey, Gary. Welcome, Gary. Hey, Joe. Welcome, Joe. Welcome. All right, guys. Let's take a look at the markets here. Now, this should not be a surprise. We are down again. All right. So, market was down again. Dow was down. What's that? 290 points. Nasdaq 157. S&P was down. Russell was down, and the VIX is moving higher. All right. So story is still the same. All right. So we have sellers in the market. Definitely sellers are in control. We did get a sell short signal today on the NASDAQ. All right. So the selling is continuing to spread, guys. All right. Daily time frames. Right. Daily time frames here. And here's a sell short signal. There was the previous buy signal closed, right? Red candle, sell short signal, all right? Sell short signal on the break of this support right here, this support line right here, all right? That is not good for the equity markets, guys. Not good for the equity markets, all right? Dow has a sell signal, no sell short signal yet, just a sell signal, all right? See the red candle there, sell signal. Same with the S&P and the Russell here. Look at the Russell, right? A lot of selling coming in here on that Russell. We talked about this, right? We've been talking about this. Really good resistance up here, right? On the Russell, right? All right. This is where sellers came in before. Sellers came in before, and here we are. All right. Pretty cool when we can analyze the price action like this. All right. So sellers are coming in, and we could support is not all until all the way down here. So wouldn't be surprised, right, if that price action moves all the way back down to support. All right. So most of the sectors are down, right? All the sectors here are down now, guys. We only have two sectors that are hanging in there, all right? But right, over 90% of the sectors are down. If the selling continues, we'll have 100% of the sectors are down, all right? All the indexes are down, all right? And the VIX is up. Let's take a look at the VIX here, all right? So this should not be a surprise, right? And here's the dollar. Here's the dollar moving higher, but the VIX. I want to show you guys the VIX. The VIX is at 17. All right. And we've turned on our buy signal on the VIX. All right. Hey, Gerald, welcome, Gerald, welcome. So we've turned on our buy signal for the VIX. Here's the buy signal for the VIX. And we've got green candles. 20 on the VIX is about right here. I can see us getting through all right, 20 relatively soon. All right, so definitely bearish markets. We've trimmed the positions. All right, so that's good. We look to see what else we can trim this evening. All right, but this is a good place to be. All right, we can control the markets. We can just react early, right, to the price actions. All right, so good job. Systems they're doing their work. They're doing their work. All right. Let's see here. VIX. We will look for the VIX. Now we're going to be launching a system for the VIX soon. But I want to show you guys what we're looking at. Right here in Monster Futures long. Let's run this quickly here. All right. So I am almost certain we'll start seeing opportunities to go along the VIX. All right. So while this is running, we will, because this takes a little while to run. We'll go here. All right. US 30, our US 30 traders, all right, short, all right, a short trade going here. We didn't call this short here, All right, we missed this short. All right, so if you guys got in, good job. We did miss this short here. All right, and so here for the the Nasdaq 100, right? Great short signal here, but this is a good short. All right, we were conservative with how it's been trading. All right, so this short here we missed. All right, so we'll see if we can get the next one, but it's been very choppy, very, very choppy, but good short trade going there. If anyone caught this trade, good job. All right, good job if you caught it. All right, let's see if we got the futures are up here. All right, so futures are up. Long, right? These are long. I'm sorry, no, these are short. Hold on here. Hold on. That's the short. And we might take a look at the short also. But we really need to run the long here. All right, so let's run the long. And we'll take a look at the short here. All right, so bonds are going short. These bonds here, treasury notes, all bonds, 30-day. So there's definitely a move happening in bonds. All right, let's see here. Gold. All right, we might call a short. You know, gold it's been consolidating. Let's see here. All right, we'll look for some opportunities in monster futures. All right, S&P short. Right, S&P short. Let's see, Russell, not yet. But gold is showing up for a short. All right, gold is showing up for a good short. All right, so we'll get back to this towards the end there. And I'm more curious about soybeans. Now, we had a great trade going with soybeans. All right, let's see here. Some of those are still holding. I wanted to see the VIX. Here is the VIX. VIX is starting to show up. Early move in the VIX. All right, early move. So as the VIX continues to move higher, all right, we could start getting buy signals. A bit early yet, right? Still early. But we missed the short trades in the VIX. All right, so we don't want to miss the long trade. All right. And like I said, we got a buy signal right here, and the VIX is breaking resistance. So we could see some opportunities there. All right, so just keep that in mind. All right, let's go through the current trades in Monster Scalper for Forex. All right, you guys should have noticed several of the yen pairs. Give sell signals today. All right, which is not surprising. We've been saying here, when the equity markets, the yen pairs will follow the equity markets. All right, so we've had selling in the equity market, so it is to, we can expect the yen pairs to move lower and close. All right, so let's go through those first, and then we'll look at the dollar pairs. All right, so Swiss yen, all right, buy signal is here, right, still holding, right, all green candles there, so nothing to do yet. You guys can just hold on to it. It's still in profit. Buy signal was here, and it's holding here. SGD JPY, all right, buy signal is here, all right, failing to break resistance here, white candles here, right, pretty good resistance here. So if you guys look here, right, really good resistance here. We'll count this one here. This is where sellers came in before, here, And guess what? Right now it's failing. And with the equity markets doing what it's doing, we'll go ahead and close this SGD JPY. All right. It's struggling right here. So let's close that trade. All right. All right. All right. Swiss yen. All right. It's still holding. Euro yen. All right. Red candle came in today. All right. With a sell signal. All right. So buy signal was here. Sell signal is here to close the trade. So close that trade. Euro yen. If you're in it on the 240. All right. All right. What's that? CAD yen closed, guys. Buy signal was here. Big red candle closed the trade. All right. Well managed trade. Small loss here. Close the trade. Remember, right? We have sellers here. Here is resistance. All right. Right. We don't want that price to sell off and you're still in it. Close the trade. Take the loss. Get out. All right. So that's CAD yen. All right. And notice what these yen pairs are doing. All right. Don't try to be a hero. All right. And stay in these trades. All right. Follow the move. Pound yen, buy signal is here and it's holding so far. All right. You don't have to do anything. If you get a wide candle, certainly you could close the trade. Dollar yen. All right. Buy signal is here. That's still holding. All right. Turkish yen pair. TRY, JPY, that closed. All right, buy signal was here. All right, sell signal came in right here, closed the trade. All right. So we still have 3 yen pairs going, but keep a close eye. Those are all red candles. I mean, green candles. So in the markup phase, so they're fine. Pound SGD, that's holding right here. And then the dollar pairs. USD DKK. All right, that's holding. All right, and we know the dollar index is holding. Where is it? Right here, dollar index is holding, moving higher. Currently, it's up in the futures market. All right, E-minis are down currently. All right, but that dollar, we're looking for a breakout, right, on that dollar index. All right, and that will help the dollar pairs. So USD DKK holding nicely. USD SGD buy signal is here. Great trade going here. Hopefully you guys took advantage of this. Dollar Swiss struggling here a bit. All right, but just hold on for now. USD CNH. All right, buy signal is here. Good trade going there. USD NOK. Buy signal is here. That's holding. USD SEK. Buy signal is here. All green candles in the markup phase. Nothing to do. USD PLN. That's a new trade going here. Buy signal is here. All right. Looking to get through the highs right here. All right. So just the yen pairs, guys. Watch those yen pairs. They will follow the equity market. So just keep an eye on those. If you're still in the few that are still holding. All right. Short positions in Monster Scalper. All right. Aussie CAD. All right. Aussie CAD still holding its short position here. Sell short signal is here. All red candles, nothing to do. I'm sorry. Aussie dollar, same thing. So this is Aussie CAD. Aussie CAD right here. And then Aussie dollar move down more. So sell short signal is here. A decent trade going here. As the dollar moves higher, this is the inverse. Aussie dollar, they should move lower. All right. So follow the trend, follow the rotations, guys. All right. So Forex dominator. Let's take a look at that system. All right. So the yen pairs. Now we shouldn't see any major changes in Forex dominator in regards to the yen pairs, but let's see. You never know. Let's see here. All right. So Swiss yen. All right. That's holding. right? Holding fine right now. Buy signal is here. That's holding. Euro yen. All right, euro yen, buy signal is here. That's holding. Keep an eye on euro yen. Pound yen is holding well. Buy signal is here. That's holding. HKD, JPY, buy signal is here. That's holding. SGD, JPY, keep an eye on that one here. Purple support and resistance struggling a bit here. All right. On these yen pairs, you get a white candle. On the daily, you might want to just close the trade. And then pound Aussie, look at the pound pairs. Finally, guys, breaking out nicely. All right. And then pound New Zealand, look at pound New Zealand. Great trade here going with pound New Zealand. It took a while, a lot of consolidation in here. It took a long time, finally breaking out nicely. All right. All right. Shorts in Forex dominator there. All right, let's take a look at those. All right, so New Zealand, CAD, all right, short, Forex dominator, sell short signal is there, and it looks like it wants to break, all right, break support, move lower, all right. New Zealand dollar, that's broke down, and you'll see this where the opposite, the inverse, right? So New Zealand dollar, right? Sell short signal is here. Perfect sell short signal, break of support, moving down nicely. And then Aussie dollar also. That's the inverse to the dollar pairs. All right. Sell short signal is here, moving down nicely there. All right. So great trading. Just the yen pairs. The yen pairs, that's the major concern now. Because with the equity markets, right, expect the yen pairs to move lower. And we could find some great short opportunities in the yen pairs. They're not ready yet, but as they continue to move lower, we'll definitely look for shorts in the yen pairs. All right. All right. So right now, and I'm surprised by the pound. The pound pairs, they're making a move, but the dollar long, right? Dollar long, look to get out of those yen pairs and possibly go short. Euro pairs all over the place right now. And you can get some short opportunities. All right. Just be selective with right over here. Some short opportunities in, like we shorten some of the Aussie pairs, New Zealand pairs. All right. All right. All right. Equities. All right. Let's go right into equities. So stock boss. All right. Let's do this. Let's do this here. All right. See if I can flip it here. All right. Aussie, I'm sorry. ALTO. All right. White candles there. Let's take a look at the weekly. All right. So it's holding on the weekly. So we'll hold it for now. All right. So we've got a decent trend line going there. But remember, we've got, increase in selling. So if you get the only reason, right, we can keep this here. We do have white candles, but these are small white candles. All right. So not a lot of, it's not really selling right now. So we'll keep it for now. All right. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. That's fine. All right. EB, white candle there. Take a look at the weekly. All right. It's holding there on the weekly. Take another look. That's a big white candle here. And then you've got a resistance in this area here. I would say close it, right? We're touching that moving average here. Not that the moving average really doesn't tell us anything when it crosses it here. If it holds, that's fine, like it's doing here. But if it crosses here, let's close this trade. All right. So EB, close the trade. EB, close the trade. All right. ELAN, take profits. The EB, hold on one second. EB. All right. So the buy signal on EB was 868 was the buy signal. 1020. All right. Close today. So just that's where it finished today. So just close the trade. All right. Take profits on that. All right. ELAN. All right, close the trade. We got a sell signal here. Buy signal came in right here at 10:16. Close at 11:46. All right, so close that trade. Sell signal. All right, sell signal, and not a bad trade here. All right, so close the trade. All right. ILPT, all right, white candle here. We'll close this. We'll take a look at the weekly here. All right, so consolidating here, right? You can easily purple support and resistance, struggling to break through that resistance. With the selling, guys, we could see a move, right, lower. We can and they've been selling this stock quite a bit, so we could definitely see sellers come in a big way, and it's holding right now. All right, but if we look here, right, this is where sellers came in before. Okay, so just look to your left here. This is where sellers came in before, and look what's happening here. Resistance is right here now. All right, it's not, it's holding support here, but guys, there's a lot of pressure. If this market goes down, tomorrow's Friday, we might get an update, update tomorrow. But if the selling continues, right, which we have to anticipate right now that the selling, hey Solomon, welcome, that the selling will continue, because guess what? All right, we have sell signals, right? We have sell signals, so sell signals, right? VIX is moving higher, so we can anticipate sellers will come in like they've done here. Close the trade. All right, let's be safe. Close the trade. All right, take profit. So buy signal was at 238. All right, close today at 384. All right, close the trade. Take profits. All right, once the market becomes healthier, at some point we can always get back in. This is holding. Right, this is holding here. If we get on this one here, right, look here. All right, it's holding so far, but I would say wait for at least a white candle. All right, definitely a red candle to get out. All right, here is where sellers came in, over here, and so far. It's holding right there. Okay, this is holding. And unit, we've been looking at this one, still holding. Hold on to this one. We'll take another look at it on. If you're in it, I would say just close the trade. All right, but for us, right, for what we do here, all right, we'll continue to keep it. Okay. All right, Stock Boss Bullmaster. This is fine. This is fine. All right. AZEK, a big white candle there. Let's take a look at the weekly. All right, weekly is holding, but that's a large candle there. All right. It's holding the trend line, so we'll keep an eye on this one here. So it's holding the trend line here, right? Buy signal was at 27.84, closed today at 31. Hopefully we can get some buyers to come back in. Okay, but that's a big white candle there. All right. The good news, it's still holding. All right. So Keep an eye on it there. BFH, all right, failing to break. We'll close this one. Failing, all right. We have a lot of resistance here. When you guys see these like this and they're failing, all right, there's a good chance they'll go down. Resistance is here. It's where sellers came in. Resistance, resistance here. Failing right here so far. Buy signal was at 30.93, trading at at $30.99. Right, close to the $37.43. Take profits, close the trade, and that's BFH. All right, so BFH, let's close that. BXP, take a look at the weekly there. All right, so we're going to close this, guys. We looked at this, all right, and this continuing, right? You have that weekly candle right here keeps moving lower. All right, go back to the daily. So we'll close this. Keep in mind, the condition of the market here. All right, so what we could see happen is we could see price gap down. Right, if we have selling, a lot of selling tomorrow, gap down, big red candles come in like here. All right, and so buy signal was at 55.52. Right, close today 63.06. Close the trade. Close the trade. BXP. All right, close the trade. All right, CBAY. All right, take a look at the weekly. All right, still holding there on the weekly. We do have resistance right here. Look at this. All right, always zoom in on your charts. By the way, Solomon, you're on here. Good job, Solomon. Good job. Solomon had a great trading day today. Good job, Solomon. Good job. I know you've been working hard. Good job. All right. So resistance is here. Resistance is here. Resistance is here. All right. So close that trade. All right. Now, if we were bullish and buyers are in control, we could certainly keep it. But we need to close that. All right. All right. So CBAY. All right. We can hold that one. Hold this one. Hold this. EXTR. EXTR. All right. Big white candle there. Take a quick look at the weekly. All right. Weekly looks fine. Purpose support and resistance. All right. 2 days of selling. All right. Not red candles, but this candle here, green candle came down. This candle came down. If we have one more candle to break through support here, we'll get a sell signal. Okay. So let's close this. Buy signal 1950. All right. Never hurts to take profits, guys. Sell. It closed at 27. All right, 74. So buy signal here. We're going to close it here. Okay. All right. Close that trade. EXTR. EXTR. All right. All right. Hold in. GO gave a sell signal today by the system. Buy signal came in at 32.50. Sell signal came in on a break of support right here, 32.97. All right, so close the trade, GO. All right, let's keep going. Nothing there. All right, GWRE, right? Buy signal, right? On a break of resistance, failed, broke support. Buy signal 83. Right, dollars. Sells close today, red candle. We have to be out on these red candles. Right, we don't have a choice. Close the trade. 78.98. Close the trade. Get out of the trade. GWRE. Okay. All right. All right. That's good. That's good. All right. SWX closed the trade. Red candle here, broke support. That's a sell signal. Treat those red candles just like the sell signals, like the white arrows here by your system. Okay. So these red candles, treat those. That's a sell signal. You have to get out. Okay. All right. So buy signal was at 63. Close today. Buy signal was at 61 or right 03 08. Close today 63 40 44. Close the trade. SWX. That's holding. All right. Take a look at the weekly here. All right, same thing here. We have really good resistance here. And again, if we were bullish, right, we could hold on to some of these. All right, this is where sellers came in before. Really good resistance here, failing to hold above and break. White candle here. It's a small candle. All right, but if you guys look here, this is where sellers came in. Almost like if we bring this here. All right. And traders are watching these levels. So you have, not only do you have resistance here, you have support right here, guys. All right. You have support right here. All right. So if this, if it breaks support here, we'll get a sell signal. But guess what? Have a big, big white candle, big red candle here. Go ahead and just protect the profits here. Buy signal was at 16.16. Right, close today at 20.97. Close the trade. VNO, close the trade. All right. WDAY, white candle there. Take a look at the weekly. All right, weekly looks fine. Always find your resistance, guys. All right, sometimes you have to go back farther, right, on your chart, like I'm doing here, right? So you got resistance right here, right? Resistance right here. All right, and here we are right now, and it's failing. All right, it's failing. And so close the trade. All right, close the trade. All right, buy signal was at 214. All right, close today at 224. Close the trade. WDAY. All right, so trimming positions. Look at this. This is all the stocks in Stock Boss. All right, all the stocks in Stock Boss here. These are all the stocks. All right, in Bull Master here. That's it. That's it. All right. So, and it's a good thing we've been trimming for what, a month now? Trimming positions for almost a month. I think it's been a month now. All right. So this is what we want to do. All right. And if this market really moves lower, guess what? We've protected, taken profits. We can take those profits and move them to another market like the dollar pairs, right? The dollar long. All right. I want to take a quick look to this futures, monster futures. Okay. So long. We were looking for the VIX. So the VIX is not ready yet. All right, but we'll keep an eye on the VIX. Let's see soybean. We had a trade in soybean. We got out of that crude oil trade. Gold. All right, so we're gonna go short in the futures market, gold. All right, we're gonna short the gold, short gold. All right, we have some right here, a lot of gold right here. All right, a lot of gold right here. All right, so short gold. In monster futures. All right, let's take a look at bonds. Bonds have been moving for a while. Aluminum is setting up, but not enough. There's only a few here. Let's take a look at the S&P. We remember we went long the S&P. Let's see if we can find a short in monster futures there. They're moving low. If you guys look here, they're setting up really nice here, but no sell short signal yet. See right here. All right, but keep in mind it's on the daily time frame, okay, on these. So might take a while to get a sell short signal. We just need one though. Surprising this signal, like here. Yeah, this should give us a sell short signal. Look at this. All right, a lot of good selling here. No sell short signal yet though. All right, this is the Russell here. Huh, no sell short signal. I don't like that. These are moving lower. It's taking a while to give short signals there. All right, so the gold is the only one really with good sell short signals. That's gold here again. Look at that, good sell short signal with gold. All the gold giving good sell short signal. So I don't know what's going on with the S&P there. Let's take a look at the Russell. No sell short signals with the Russell either on the daily. That's strange. Look at that. That's strange there. S&P. I'm sure we have sell short signals on the 240, but we don't trade these on the 240. Let me just, I want to make sure everything is working properly there. And then I'll let you guys go. We'll be done. 240. Oh yeah, 240. Here's your sell short signal right here on the 240, but nothing yet on the daily. That's strange. Yeah, we should have probably soon. We'll get it there. All right, so we can't do anything yet with the S&P and the Russell, but that we've got a gold short. All right, in monster futures, and that crude oil long trade. Right, we out of that crude oil long trade. Okay. All right, guys. Just remember we have our tomorrow. Right, we have our roundtable. So our traders and also coaching students, right? We're bringing back our roundtable. All right. So You guys will have a link, special link we send out. What time is it? It's at 11 a.m. Eastern time tomorrow. And then our beginners class. All right. These are webinars. All right. So every week, the roundtable and the beginners class on Saturday webinar form. Okay. All right, guys. Have a good evening. Thanks for coming. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.